let me solve some problems on basic formulas of inverse Laplace transform. The first question, in this they have given 3 questions. Find the inverse Laplace transforms of, first question, 2s minus 5 by s square minus 4. Second question, 2s plus 1 by s into s plus 1. Third question, 3s minus 8 by 4s square plus 25. Now let me solve the first question, first bit. Already see the statement, find the inverse Laplace transform. Inverse Laplace transform means previously find the Laplace transform means L of that function in terms of t. Now find the inverse Laplace transform of means L inverse of that function in terms, the function should be in terms of s. Now L inverse of first bit 2s minus 5 by s square minus 4. This is one quantity is there, then you have to split it. We don't have formula for this one because the formulas are L inverse of s by s square plus a square, L inverse of 1 by s square minus a square. That type of formula we have. That's why I am reducing this quantity. 2s by s square minus 4 minus 5 by s square minus 4. 2 is outside. L inverse of s by s square minus 4 minus 5 into L inverse of 1 by s square minus 4. Now observe this one, 2 into L inverse of s by s square minus 2 square. Actually 4 means 2 square. Now already I gave you the formula, list of formulas. S by s square minus a square means cos h2t minus 5 into 1 by s square minus a square. The formula is L inverse of 1 by s square minus a square is sin hat by a. Here a value is 2 means 5 is outside. Sin h2t by 2. The final answer is 2 cos h2t minus 5 by 2 into sin h2t. Like this we can solve the problems, basic problems of inverse Laplace transform. In the same way, now try to solve the second bit. L inverse of 2s plus 1 by s into s plus 1. Now observe this one. This is very simple actually. 2s plus 1. Everywhere s into s plus 1 is there. What I will do, this 2s plus 1 can be written as s plus 1 in simple manner. Then s by s plus 1, s plus 1 by s into s plus 1. Then s cancel from that one, from the first part 1 by s plus 1, the remaining is 1 by s. L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 plus L inverse of 1 by s. Then L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 is e power minus t. L inverse of 1 by s is plus 1. Now observe this one. In both problems, the question I got in terms of s, the answer is in terms of t. Everywhere in terms of t. Means in inverse Laplace transform you have to remind in your mind, means you have to keep in your mind the question in terms of s, the answer is in terms of t, like that. From basic formulas only we can solve 50% of the problems of inverse Laplace transform. Now again in the same manner, the third question, third bit, L inverse of 3s minus 8 by 4s square plus 25. This can be written as L inverse of 3s by 4s square plus 25 minus 8 into L inverse of 1 by 4s square plus 25. But the denominator part is every time s square only. But instead of s square we have 4s square. That's why what I will do, I will take 4 common. Then L in 3 by 4 into L inverse of s by s square. That 25 can be written as 5 by 2 whole square. 25 by 4 can be written as 5 by 2 whole square. In the same manner, there also you can take 4 common, minus 8 by 4 L inverse of 1 by s square plus 5 by 2 whole square. Observe this one. This is in the form of first part s by s square plus a square. The second part is 1 by s square plus a square. Then according to basic formulas, 3 by 4 cos phi t by 2 minus 2 into, this is 8 by 4 is minus 2. Then 2 by 5 sin phi t by 2 means sin phi t by 2 by 5 by 2 means 2 by 5 we are writing here by a, actually that can be written as 2 by 5 I am writing here. Therefore the answer is 3 by 4 cos phi t by 2 minus 4 by 5 sin phi t by 2 on simplification. Like this we can solve the problems very easily, and some more problems by using basic formulas only